Hello students, welcome back to our next video of English Literature Hornbill Lesson 3rd Discovering that the Saga Continues. I am Rajesh Kumar Singh from Divine Public School, Monapur, Gorakhpur. Students, let's proceed on the next paragraph, page 25, paragraph 8 and 9. Today, diagnostic imaging can be done with computed tomography or CT, by which hundreds of X-rays in cross sections are put together like slices of bread to create a three-dimensional virtual body. What more would a CT scan reveal of truth than the X-ray? And could it answer two of the biggest questions still lingering about him? How did he die, and how old was he at the time of his death? King Tut's demise was a big event, even by royal standards. He was the last of his family line, and his funeral was the death rattle of a dynasty. But the particulars of his passing away and its aftermath are unclear. Now, students, see some questions. Aftermath. Aftermath means the effect of something, especially after a war or after a disaster. The effect of the disaster or war on the social and cultural life of the people is called aftermath. Okay. Next lines are compute. Compute is the root word, and from this root word computer is made. The later meaning of compute means to calculate a result or answer, etc. As computation. Computation is noun made of the root word compute, means the process of calculating, etc. is called computation. Word startling means surprising. Lingering, that is not moving away from the place. This is called lingering. Now let's have explanation of this paragraph. Archaeology is the laboratory of modern history. Means earlier history was the history, stories, but the trend of writing history is changed, and archaeology plays very important role in the writing of history nowadays. It is considered now science, and archaeology is laboratory, and it requires different type of checking related to carbon data or other things. Now, this is the reason that I am telling archaeology is the laboratory of modern history. Today, the historians reach on facts on the basis of studies that is proved and tested in the laboratory of archaeology. In 1968, the mummy of King was x-rayed for the scientific studies to find out the clue of his death. It was unrevealed. Today, diagnostics imaging can be done with computed tomography, that is CT scan. The full form of CT is computed tomography, in which hundreds of X-rays are put in cross sections together like slices of bread to create a three-dimensional virtual body. What would a CT scanner reveal more than X-ray of the king's body? Yet the efforts are going on. But the question is that it could answer the biggest questions still lingering about the mysteries of his death, as how did he die and how old was he at the time of his death. These two questions are still waiting for the exact answer. King Tut's death King Tut's death was a big event, even by the royal standards. He was the last descendant or heir of his royal dynasty. He was the last member of his family's line. His funeral was the rattling of falling down of a dynasty who ruled over the empire of Egypt for hundreds of years. But the details of his death and the results of a falling empire are not clear. Students, let's proceed on the next paragraph, paragraph 10, from the same page 25. Amenhotep III, Tut's father or grandfather, was a powerful pharaoh who ruled for almost 4 decades at the height of the 18th dynasty's golden age. His son Amenhotep IV succeeded him and initiated one of the strangest period in the history of ancient Egypt. The new pharaoh promoted the worship of the Aten, the sun disk, changed his name to Akhenaten or servant of the Aten, and moved the religious capital from the old city of Thebes to the new city of Akhetaten, known now as Amarna, now as Amarna. He further shocked the country by attacking Aman, a major god, smashing his images and closing his temples. It must have been a horrific time, said Ray Johnson, director of the University of Chicago's Research Center in Luxor, the site of ancient Thebes. The family that had ruled for centuries was coming to an end, and then Akhenaten went a little wacky. Students, before the explanation of this paragraph, see the words smashing. Smashing means breaking and delevitating, that is, to fall down, crushing, etc. This is smashing. Horrific means frightful or terrifying. Site, that is, place of working spot. Wacky means silly in an exciting or amusing way. This is waking. Okay, other words as images, that is idols of the gods, and other words ancient, that is old time. This you know very well. Now let's see the explanation of this paragraph. The author brings the estimation of the king's death by putting the analysis of his dynastical record before the readers and tries to find out the most logical answer of the king Tut's untimely early death. The author puts the analytical history of the king's lineage as Amenhotep III, either King Tut's father or grandfather, was a powerful pharaoh who ruled for almost 4 decades, that is 40 years, One decade contains 10 years, that is 4 decades, 40 years over the Egyptian empire. He, the 18th pharaoh of his famous dynasty. His ruling period over the empire was the golden age of his royal dynasty. Amenhotep III's son was Amenhotep's fourth, means the son of Amenhotep III was Amenhotep IV, and Amenhotep IV, who Amenhotep IV ascended the throne of empire after Amenhotep III and launched, that is, started one of the strangest periods in the history of ancient Egypt. The new pharaoh recommended, that is, promoted the worship of the Aten, the sun god. He also changed his name from Amenhotep to Akhenaten, or the meaning or the means servant of the Aten. He changed his name from Amenhotep to Akhenaten, which means in Egyptian language servant of the Aten, and he also moved the religious capital from the ancient city of Thebes to the new city of Akhenaten, which was also known as Amarna. He did not stop here only. He also shocked the country by attacking Amun, a major god of Egypt, by breaking and crushing his idols and images and closing his temples. Closing his temples means this new king not only stopped by stopping the worship of this god of the ancient gods, he also shocked the whole country by attacking the ancient god Amun, who was the major god of Egypt, by breaking and crushing his idols and images, and he also closed his temples. About this, Roy Johnson, the director of the University of Chicago's Research Center in Luxor, which is the site of ancient Thebes, describes that must have been a horrific time. The family that had ruled for the centuries was coming to an end, and that time the king Akhenaten had become some exciting silly fellow for the thoughtful wise persons of the time. Now proceed on the next paragraph, paragraph 11. After Akhenaten's death, a mysterious ruler named Smenkhare appeared briefly and exited with hardly a trace, and then a very young Tutankhaten took the throne. King Tut, as he is widely known today. The boy king soon changed his name to Tutankhamun, living image of Amun, and oversaw a restoration of the old ways. He reigned for about 9 years and then died unexpectedly. Before the explanation of this paragraph, see some words as exited. As you know, exit. You might have seen at different places, this door is for exit, this door is for entrance. But other meaning of exit as had gone to the next word. The literary meaning of this word exit here, he had gone to the next word, that is death. Trace. The literal meaning of trace means the sign of or footprints of it, but here the meaning of trace is sign or symbol. oversee. Students, oversee means you might have seen this word are here overseer. The word overseer is made of the root word oversee. The meaning of oversee is to be in charge of a group of workers and check that a piece of work is done properly. This is called overseeing, and the person who performs this duty is called overseer. Right? The second form of the oversee is oversaw, past tense, and means looked after the things whether done properly or not. He also looked after the things whether those things were done properly or not, that is oversaw. Restoration. Restoration means re-establishment of the previous order. Re-establishment of the previous order is called restoration. Sometimes a king restores the throne, means the king was dismissed from this place for time beings, and again when he ascends on the throne, then it is called restoration of the particular king. Here the meaning of restoration is re-establishment of the previous orders or law. Unexpectedly means beyond hope. Nobody could hope like this. That is unexpectedly or beyond expectation. The meaning of unexpectedly is beyond hope or beyond expectation. Students, now let's see explanation of this paragraph. Paragraph 11. A mysterious ruler named Smenkhare ascended the throne of Egyptian empire after the death of Akhenaten, who ruled over the empire for a short period of time and died without any specific sign of any important event. After demise of this mysterious ruler, a very young heir of dynasty ascended the throne, whose name was Tutankhaten. This young ruler is widely known as King Tut today. Tutankhaten is the name of King Tut. Okay? He was young, and this young ruler is famous by the name of King Tut today. The boy king soon changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun, which means the living image of Amun, and kept an observing eye over the restoration of the old ways in the Egyptian empire. He ruled over the country for 9 years and then died unexpectedly in his very young age. Next paragraph, paragraph 12. Regardless of his fame and speculations about his fate, Tut is one mummy among many in Egypt. How many? No one knows. The Egyptians Mummy Project, which began an inventory in late 2003, has recorded almost 600 so far, as is still counting. The next phase is scanning the mummies with a portable CT machine donated by the National Geographic Society and Siemens, its manufacturer. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned, in death as in life, moving regally ahead of his countrymen. Now, see some new words as the meaning of regardless. You know, regard means honor, etc. Regardless here meaning means not minding. Regardless means not minding. Speculations. This is estimation. The meaning of speculation means estimations. And inventory. Inventory means a list of all things in a place is called inventory. Or to make list of all things of a particular place, of a shop, or of a mall, etc., is called inventory. For example, our next meaning is all the goods in a shop is also called inventory. For example, we made a complete inventory of everything in the apartment. We made a complete inventory of everything in the apartment. Clear? Now, next, portable. Portable means fit to be carried. Scan as CT scan. Computer tomography. What is scan? Scan means to examine an area carefully. To examine an area or a body, part of body very carefully is called scanning. Thus, the meaning of scan to examine an area carefully, because if someone is looking for a particular person or particular thing. For example, the police scanned the whole area but found no trace of her body. Okay, I am giving the example to make the sense clear of the particular words. As the police scanned the whole area but found no trace of her body is scanning. Regally, it is adverb, means impressively, to work in an impressive way. Regally, as often the kings, the royal people walk in very majestic way, having the sense of proud in themselves. This is called regally. They move forward. So here regally means walking in impressive way. As example, she held out her hand regalious. Now let's see explanation of this paragraph. It is not so important in the modern prospect of history that how famous the king Tut was or what fate and fortune he enjoyed in his short duration of life. Such estimation is not so important for the archaeologist today's. In their view, Tut is one mummy among many in tombs and pyramids of Egypt. In view of the modern archaeologists, Tut is one mummy among many mummies in tombs and pyramids of Egypt. How many mummies would be? No one knows exactly. The Egyptian Mummy Project, which started an inventory in 2003 to enlist all the mummies of Egypt. This Egyptian Mummy Project has recorded the number of 600 mummies and the counting is still going on. The second phase of this project, what? This is Egyptian Mummy Project is to examine the mummies carefully with a portable CT machine donated by the National Geographic Society and Siemens. Siemens is its manufacturer, that is producer of this portable CT machine. King Tut is one of the first among the hundreds of mummies to be scanned, in death as in life, moving impressively as a realist ahead of his countrymen. When he was alive, he walked regally among his countrymen, and even when he is dead, his mummy is going to be inspected first. This is the importance. Okay, students, proceed on the next paragraph, paragraph 26. A CT machine scanned the mummy head to toe, creating 1700 digital X-ray images in cross section. Those head scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices to register its intricate structures. Taken text on AD detail in the resulting image. With Tooth's entire body similarly recorded, a team of specialists in radiology, forensic, and anatomy began to prove the secrets that the winged goddesses of a gilded burial shrine protected for so long. See some words. As airy. Airy means not belonging this word. They belong to the word of supernatural. The literal meaning as airy, adjective, as strange and frightening. Airy means strange and frightening. As the eerie sound of an owl hooting in the forest at night. An eerie sound of an owl hooting in the forest at night. Okay? Detail, that is account. Probe, to find out, to check. Forensic. Forensic is often connected with the methods used for finding out who is guilty of crime by using different methods having the symbols of blood, fingerprints, hair, etc. Now let's see the explanation of this paragraph. King Tut was the first mummy to be scanned among the thousands of other mummies of the King's Valley. A CT machine examines the mummy minutely. A CT machine examines the mummy minutely from head to tail by creating 1700 digital X-rays images in cross section. Thus head was examined minutely in 0.62 millimeter slices to record its complicated structures. It took the strange and frightening accounts in the images of CT scans. With Tut's entire body, a team of specialists in radiology, forensics, and anatomy began to find out the secrets that the winged goddess protected a gilded burial shrine for so long. All these experts had approximately the similar records. Remaining paragraph we will see in next video.